Trying to take these plugs out, like trying to crack a safe with mittens on. Oh crap! He's gonna blow! Last time something like that happened, I was messing with Sasquatch. Whoa! Man, don't you hate when that happens? Well, not anymore. Hey guys, this is Rick with ROA. Today I'm here to talk to you about a problem that I know a lot of owners deal with. It's draining your fresh tanks after you're done camping. This is a modification that a lot of you have wanted for a long time, and we finally got the fix for you. Today we're going to be installing, it's a PVC ball valve. Super simple. All you got to do is remove your original drain plug. As you can see, it's no problem at all. So these are the standard plugs that it comes with. They're nice and big, super simple to remove. You just have to be prepared for the flow of water that comes out of it, but it does drain your tank quickly. This is the replacement. It's a 1 1/4 inch PVC ball valve. You just insert this into the fresh tank, hand tighten it, should be plenty good. And then it's got the valve on top that you just open and close for easy draining. Makes camping a lot easier. A modification like this, super simple to do at home, but we can also help you here. If you have any other questions about any of the modifications we do to MDCs or any other trailers, give us a call at the number below. Reach out to your sales coach in Utah, South Carolina, Colorado Springs, or Arizona. A modification like this is going to make camping so much easier for you, get you Roma ready and camping more. Man, it is so cold out here. I hear this stuff is good to prevent you from freezing. Oh yeah, that's much better.